All right, let's talk about the control ring on the Canon RF 28 to 70 millimeter lens, one of the coolest features of Canon's RF lenses. Think of it as an extra customizable dial right on the lens that lets you change settings without taking your eye off the shot. You can map it to control things like your aperture, ISO, shutter speed, or exposure compensation. Once you set it in the menu, all you have to do is rotate the ring and that setting changes instantly. It's perfect when you need to adjust exposure on the fly or switch from bright scenes to low light without hunting through menus. For photographers, it's great for quick aperture changes, fast ISO adjustments, or dialing in exposure compensation while you shoot. For video creators, it's awesome for smooth exposure changes, especially when light shifts outdoors or you want to adjust depth of field without stopping your recording. The control ring is tactile, responsive, and super helpful once you start using it. It turns the 28 to 70 millimeter into an even more efficient tool, especially for weddings, events, street photography, or run and gun video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.